My name's Junfen Zhao. I'm an assistant professor at Arizona State University. My lab at ASU is called Battery Electric and Intelligent Vehicle Lab. So we focus on research areas such as autonomous driving, electric vehicle, and smart mobility. So the vehicle platform we have Dataspeed developed for us is a autonomous research platform on top of an EV production vehicle that'll enable us to do research in multiple areas. We have several directions, AV, EV, so that's why I was trying to find a company that can do the vehicle platform, vehicle build on top of an EV platform. And I found that Dataspeed is the only vendor can provide that service. I'm glad I chose Dataspeed. They do a very good job, very professional, good customer service, and good technical support. Yeah, it makes very straightforward and easy for me, especially Dataspeed helped procure the vehicle locally, so which was very convenient, especially back then was in low inventory for vehicles on the market, and they were able to help me go out there, go to the dealership, and secure the vehicle very quickly. So the whole process is very straightforward. It's very helpful, give me a much better perspective and insight about how the drive-by-wire system works, and point out the safety protocols for us. So I think there's a lot to digest, but I think the on-site training definitely boosts up this process for us to quickly learn about the system. Yeah, this was very helpful. I think in the long run, it definitely will help reshape the society, how mobility looks like. And currently we are involved in a project sponsored by Arizona State Agency to help develop the safety evaluation regulation perspective for ADAS and AV technologies. We hope this platform can help us accelerate that process and really contribute to the future mobility technology development. I'll definitely recommend Dataspeed to my colleagues, researchers who want to have similar capabilities and platforms, and look forward to future collaborations with Dataspeed.